Writing my book Relationship, Notes on Love, Mutual Respect, Boundaries, Marriage, and Divorce was a unique experience. Before this, all my writing was how-to information about woodworking and publishing. Love and mutual respect are the foundation of any successful relationship. I'm sure you've heard that before, but I hope my book illuminates the path to deepening these vital elements, helping you build a bond that withstands the test of time. Setting boundaries is crucial for a healthy relationship and often overlooked because it's not easy. Discover how to establish clear limits, communicate your needs, and honor each other's personal space, fostering harmony and understanding. Whether you're considering marriage or already wedded, this book offers invaluable insights into nurturing a thriving marital union. From maintaining intimacy to resolving conflicts, it could be an invaluable guide. Divorce is common today, and my book provides compassionate advice to help navigate this difficult process with grace and care for all involved. Visit my website at the web address on the bottom right to learn more about my book and how it can transform your love life. What sets relationship, Note on Love, Mutual Respect, Boundaries, Marriage, and Divorce apart is its easy-to-understand language and actionable tips. Discover practical strategies that you can apply immediately to strengthen your relationship. Don't wait any longer. Get your copy of Relationship today, and embark on a transformative journey toward a fulfilling and lasting partnership.